Weather Watch Rain by Jennifer Vanvoorst. Let it rain. Look up. What do you see? Clouds. How do clouds form? Water vapor rises. It sticks to dust in the air. Vapor. The vapor builds up. It becomes droplets. The droplets grow heavy. They fall to the ground. Look, it's raining. Small drops fall lightly. A light rain is called a drizzle. Large raindrops fall hard. They make a shower. We need rain. Rain feeds plants. Plants need water to grow. People and animals need water to live, too. Rain can be fun. Mari jumps in a puddle. It can be comforting, too. Listen, the sound helps Ty fall asleep. Good night, rain. Types of rainy weather: sleet, partially rainy, frozen rain, downpour, a heavy rain, mist, water in the form of particles floating in the air or falling as fine rain, and sprinkle, a light rain.